At Crown Industrial Roofing, we specialize in service and repair of all flat roof systems. We come up there and we will strip down your existing roof system, and we handcraft our roof systems on site, layer by layer, with hot asphalt and paper, with guys that have decades of experience.
People call Crown Roofing because they want a trusted name of someone who's going to come and take care of their problem. We've been in business a long time, and one of the main reasons for our success is because we take what we do very, very seriously. We know that you have a problem with your roof, and we want to take care of it for you.
The workmanship is great. The materials that we use are amazing. It's meant to last for a long time. It's not like a quick fix and then, next week their roof will be leaking again.
Leaks migrate from all parts of the roof, and it really takes years and years of experience to be able to find leaks, find them the first time, get them repaired the first time, make sure that we repair them and warranty them for 5 years. Anybody can go try to fix a roof leak and have it stop for a week or two, but that's not what we're in the business for.
Because you have the difficulty of ripping out old roof systems, carrying gravel across roofs, it is very, very strenuous. And these guys are tough guys, no question about it.
The people that we have working for us, they're some of the best in the business. We work 52 weeks a year. You have to be tough. It's just inherently tough work.
I think teamwork is so important at Crown because it's like our own little family in there, and we get along so well, and it shows in the work that we put out there.
Because the roof is out of sight, it's often out of mind. At Crown Industrial Roofing, we will provide annual roof inspections at no cost or obligations, where we'll do a visual site inspection.
Every spring, every summer, have one of our trained professionals come out and look at your roof, figure out what's wrong with it, what does it need, what can we do for you to make sure that your roof is going to be ready to make it through another tough Canadian winter.
Throughout the winter, you get expansion, contraction. You might get a fissure or a split. Come summertime, when the temperatures get up to 30, this asphalt will melt and self-heal. No other roof system on the market does that.
I love the fact that we can walk into an old existing building. The roof is a disaster, and go in there with these guys, watch them rip it out piece by piece, part by part, and then handcraft, put this roof back together and give them a wonderful finished product that you know is going to last them for decades. The satisfaction of seeing that they get exactly what they needed for their building.
I credit our success from the way we started back in the 70s. There's been a strong fundamental foundation of doing quality workmanship, doing it right the first time, having transparency, so you know exactly what you're getting when you hire Crown Industrial Roofing.